Hello mga lagan, welcome to my video. Lagang Alom here and welcome sa Lugsangan Peak, also known as Casino Peak, is a prominent mountain in Dalagit, Cebu, known for its unique fang-like shape and stunning panoramic views. It is one of the highest peak in Cebu, actually, reaching an elevation of 1,003 meters or equivalent na siya guys sa 3,291 feet. The peak is part of Mantalungon Mountain Range and it's a popular destination sa mga hikers nga sama na kuog nimo. So ang location na ni guys, Larnis Dalagit, Cebu. Ang Casino Peak, gianggaan po na siya og Chocolate Hills of Cebu South.
How was your experience there? How was your...
I was alone when I arrived.
You are renting motorcycle? How much?
Sorry?
How much?
It was 350.
For 12 hours?
I rented for 5 days.
5 days?
Yeah, for...
So muna katkato na ko guys. So muna itong nalakaw. Ikanta dito sa ubos. Dulduol pa.
The hike to the summit is approximately 1 kilometer and features a steep rocky trails with lush vegetation and vegetable plantation along the way. Offer breathtaking 360-degree panoramic views of the surrounding landscape, including na guys sa coastline of Bajan and the mountain range of Cebu. While the terrain is challenging, the peak is accessible to both experienced and beginner hikers. Ang Lugsangan Peak guys, kaya popular po na siya sa mga hikers bitaw who those seeking beautiful scenery, especially during the sunrise and sunset. Sa hilig kayo mga adlaw-adlaw dara usa sa lisa spot nga bisitahon sa mga hikers. Ang entrance guys kay 50 pesos per head. While guide are not mandatory, local children may offer their services for a fee. And some online guides advise hikers to pay them fairly. O, diba kay Lloyd po, diba? Nya, live no trace ta guys. No, encourage ang tanang mga bisita nga praktiso na to ang leave no trace policy and be mindful of the environment, including the steeping on the vegetables plantation along the trail. Namagod sila mga tanom da guys sa mga local. So hospital po ta. The summit has a narrow space, so visitors should be careful and mindful for their footing. So magtanaw kita guys para lita makasala. Para po mamintin na to ang beauty sa Lugsangan Peak. Amora to sa guys, ngayon po ako i-share ninyo sa Lugsangan Peak. Enjoy lang na ako ang view there guys. Doon kayo nindot magod kayo.
Solo na ko ang Casino Peak guys, wala na yung tao.
Solo na ko ang Casino Peak guys, wala na yung tao.
Marami. Ari na solo na duhalay. Marami. Ari na solo na duhalay. Right. Acti everybody. Acti everybody.
Butan kay mga nauli kahita. Lucas! 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 Migo! Baklay! Baklay!
Thank you.
Oh, wako yata.
Sige.
Bye-bye! Bye-bye!
Og sa sunod sa datang video guys, bata pa sa mga bata. Bye bye. Thank you for watching.